pretty blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I am Courtney B and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are an OG, thank you so much for clicking on another video and for supporting your girl. If you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. If you guys are up to date on all of my videos, then you probably have seen me work on my coffee nook area. And now that I got that all taken care of for the most part, I wanted to go ahead and focus more on my living room area, which is why I am standing right here in front of my fireplace. I actually purchased this TV stand from Big Lots. I don't think I've ever purchased any furniture from Big Lots before, but I wanted to give this TV stand a try, and today's video is gonna be all about me putting it together. So I'm gonna demo it for you guys and let you guys know what I think, if it was worth the money, if I think it's cheaply made. Stay tuned in this video and you guys will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on opening up this box, reading the directions, and figuring out what all I need to do to get this thing put together. guys, so I needed to run to the Dollar Tree because I want to see if I can find me some decor to go on top of my entertainment center. So that's where I'm at right now, and fingers crossed I will find some really nice things that I can just repurpose or DIY and make my entertainment center look really cute. So I'll bring you guys along in Dollar Tree. So it's been a few days later, and I actually started painting this stuff that I was going to use as decor on top of the entertainment center, but I ran out of paint, so that's why this is looking like this. And I actually remembered that I forgot to record me painting it, so it definitely needed another coat of paint. And I had picked this I don't know, I guess this is like a little picture, a little frame. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and I painted these also. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another coat of paint on these as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and let this stuff dry. And after it dries, then I'll go ahead and start decorating. Okay guys, so now that I have my table decor all dry, I don't know if I showed you guys or told you guys, but I picked this up at Dollar Tree, and it was just little Halloween table decor, I guess that's what you'll call it, but it's dry now, so I'm gonna go ahead and design something for it, of course, using my Cricut. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on my design. And guys, I already uploaded a few videos showing detail how I do Fonto, how I edit in Fonto, and how I upload to Cricut Design Space. So if you guys did not see that, make sure you guys go ahead and check out those videos, just in case you have any questions on how I edit and upload. Be sure to check that out. Okay guys, so here are the books that I'm going to be painting. I just have two more similar to this, and I went ahead and I taped off the edges so that the pages, when I get paint on them, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start painting it with this matte white spray paint. Okay guys, now it is time to go ahead and get started on one of my favorite things that I love to do, and that is of course decorating the top of my console. And like I mentioned earlier, everything that I'm going to be using is stuff that I had in different parts of the house that I was no longer planning on using in those areas. So I just repurposed stuff that I already had. And then the only other things that I purchased was the stuff that you guys see me get from the Dollar Tree, which were the books and the little table decor, the Halloween decor. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on decorating. Okay guys, so I wanted to give you my final thoughts and my review on the Big Lots TV console, and I wanted to put it together, but I didn't want to just show you guys a bare console. So of course I wanted to decorate it for you guys also and show you finished product of how everything looks. But starting with the console itself, I think it is really good quality, and I think it's well worth the money. I really like how these doors, it has like a soft close on them, so if my kids were to just open it and then try to slam it shut, it wouldn't slam, it'll just close softly on its own. And I thought that was really nice. And this glass is tempered glass, and then also it had stickers on it, and trying to take the stickers off, that gave us the most trouble. Not the ones on the glass, but the stickers that was on the shelves and the inside of the console. It just left that sticky residue, and I think that was pretty much the hardest part. And this thing it's like kind of heavy. It is actually pretty heavy, so I think it's good for the money, guys. And I love the color on it. So if you guys are thinking about buying it, definitely go ahead and purchase it. I love how it looks in this area. And then I wanted to go ahead and move on to the decor, which is my favorite part, decorating. This stuff is pretty much everything that I found in my house. So I'll start over on this side. If you guys remember, this was originally red and black, and it does not match our theme. I think we've evolved from the dark colors, and we want more light, airy colors and more rustic farmhouse theme in our house. So I decided I wanted to chalk paint this, and I love how it came out. And then I just, of course, paired that with some decor that was in a different room that I was not using. And I really like this sign. It just says, "Don't quit your daydream," which is really cool. So I like that. And then, of course, it would not be a Cortney.b decoration without some candles, and I just went ahead and put 2 candles on here. And then moving on, which I think is probably one of my favorite items, the Dollar Tree items that I DIY'd, and it just says "Enjoy the Journey," which is those 3 books, and I of course chalk painted that. And then I had this leftover twine from another project that I did, and I thought that looked really cute. And then it was fitting to put the globe on top of the books that says this. Then also my other favorite part is, of course, another cheap Dollar Tree item, and it's just these 2 little tabletop decor items, which was the Halloween things. It says, "This is us, our story, our life, our home." And you guys, it was super easy to make, and I thought that that would match really well with this vase, so I wanted to put those in the same colors. So it came out really good. If you guys have a Cricut, and if you're just getting into trying to decorate with your Cricut, I highly suggest trying out these 2 items. It was super easy to do. And then last but not least, I just had a lamp off in the room that I was not using. It was on the floor unplugged, and I thought it would look perfect in this space, and it actually did. But that is it, guys. This is how everything came out. And once again, if you guys are thinking about purchasing the console from Big Lots, do it. It's well worth the money. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you guys like this console? Are you guys planning on checking out Big Lots to see if your Big Lots still have it? And then what do you guys think about my decor? What is your favorite piece? Let me know down below in the comments. But that is it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
What a wonderful world.